Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a what I got from summer winds and also how's my garden doing at the same time. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so we're going to start with what I got from summer winds. So we went to summer winds today, mostly to ask questions, ended up buying plants. We all know how that ends up. But we got a bunch of basil over here. See, this one is, what does the tag say? It is the spicy Greek basil is this one. And then this one is, looks like regular, just basil. Ugh. Doesn't have any specific name. This one is sweet basil right here. And I think we got two of those actually. Yeah, and then this one as well is sweet basil if I get out the light. So there's that one. That one's a little bit bigger than that one over there. And then there's a rosemary I already had from last time that we went. It's doing okay. It's not really doing anything. It's not dying. It's not getting bigger. It's just there. We've got this Black Beauty eggplant right here. And these are going to end up staying where they currently are. So we've decided we want to keep them right there. Okay, this is my cucumber plants. There's two of them. There's a little one right here and this big one right here. I didn't think it was going to grow any cucumbers because they didn't seem like they were growing, but they got one hiding right here for sure. This one got big on me all of a sudden. And then I've got a few throughout the plant just hiding in there. Here is what's supposed to be Roma tomatoes, but they were from a tomato from Walmart, so who knows what they really could be. We've got this one. Now it does have what looks like blossom and rot at the bottom, but it's not getting any worse, so I'm leaving it. Also got a little bit of a cat facing. And then this one over here has one as well. There's three plants here actually. Right in this area here, there's three plants. They're all tangled up, so I can't really separate them. And then there's this little dude down there. And the other thing we got from Summer Winds is this artichoke here. Doesn't say what kind, it just says an artichoke. You're gonna live right there. We've got a broccoli. Oh, thank you. So we got a broccoli. I don't know where the tag went. I don't know if we left it there or if it never had one, because some of them had tags on the table, some of them didn't.
The broccoli didn't have a tag.
No? Okay.
It had a tag. The tag is on the side.
Oh, it's on the side?
It's on the barcode.
Oh, okay. Okay, well it must have...
Did I grab one without the barcode?
Must have fallen off then.
Probably fell off the truck.
Okay, well that's fine. We know what it is. Which is going to look a lot like this, but this is cauliflower. It's just a cousin to broccoli. So they're going to look the same. It's going to get big and pretty and all that good stuff. This one's got a little bit of leaf damage from these annoying little caterpillars. Bug. Annoying little caterpillars I got. Because you can see they went to town on my poor little cabbage over here. And these I already had. I didn't get these from Summer Winds. I got these from Gurney's. Yeah, Gurney's. No, I think, no, yeah, we did get these from Summer Winds. They were the packets of seeds. And then I have the red cabbage there, another regular cabbage right here. We have this lettuce I've been picking from. We've gotten like, I don't know, 12 good sized leaves off of it so far. And then here's a bunch of little babies as backups. Underneath this is gonna be some ruby, and I think it's like,
you can move it and explain that it's underneath there. It's
yeah,
not grown yet.
they're teeny tiny itsy bitsy little sprouts. They haven't even barely gotten out of here yet, but one's ruby and one's a dark something. I don't remember. I'd have to go look. We decided to grab some, I think it's romaine lettuce. Yeah, romaine lettuce, we're just sitting here as where it's kind of going. Back here, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. We got some little bits of spinach popping up. You're not supposed to be there, but you're there. Some more lettuce is supposed to be there too. There was a lettuce right here. It magically vanished. We don't know what happened to it. It just disappeared one day after a windstorm, so it's either the bugs or the wind. We don't know.
75-mile-an-hour windstorm, so I'm assuming the wind.
Yeah, my husband just said it was like 75 miles an hour, so we can only imagine. I didn't see where the roots were kicked out. It looked like it just disappeared, like it was never put there, so... Hey, Lilith. You dork. So here's my spinach. I have been growing for a while. I do collect little leaves off of here, sometimes big leaves off of here. Stop it. Okay, you're in the video, see? There's the little terror of the day. We did get some of the Bloomsdale spinach to grow right there. Still nothing grows here, don't know why. The one tomato that's over here, still nothing on it yet. Just kind of hanging out, chilling. I need to support it. The pinto beans, as you can see, has gone all the way to the roof pretty much. It's approximately 9 or so feet up there. I pulled out one because it completely died, but the other ones are slowly but surely getting there. Just letting the beans finish. Oh, not a sponsor. The Walt Light, that big old bulb right there. It's really awesome. I love it because my husband can hang it from like anything basically. So, our poblano peppers, they don't produce right now. We don't know why. We went to Summer Winds asking about that. They encourage that they will produce soon. I guess we'll see.
They said it's a winter plant,
So
it's not going to produce till winter's over.
Yeah, my husband was saying that it's more of a wintry, early spring kind of cold season loving pepper. So, you know, we'll see. We'll see what it does. If not, at least it's growing. So I got that going for me. It's like huge now. It's like, if you could see me, this is about the middle of my stomach. This one back here hiding is supposed to be the world's hottest pepper. It is a it's a boot jolokia or something like that. I can't pronounce it. It's supposed to be a type of ghost pepper. It's like a world record ghost pepper. Actually, if you Google that, world record ghost pepper, that actual plant comes up. Now these guys here, they are supposed to be jalapenos. We bought them as jalapenos. Unfortunately,
It's a bee hut, Jolica.
bee hut? Okay. Yeah, that one back there. Bee hut Jolica. But these ones here smell like they're supposed to be a jalapeno, but do not produce jalapenos. What they produce looks like a bell pepper, if you can see it. This fat little thing here is what it produces. So we're very confused because they don't even taste like jalapenos. And like, there's this little one down here, kind of looks like a jalapeno, but this one over here, all the same plant, looks like a bell pepper. And even Summer Winds is completely stumped. They don't even know what it is. So for now, free food, I guess, mystery plant. I planted some onions. These are supposed to be red onions. So far, all I've done is kidnap the tops of them. And I'm gonna be planting, I don't know if you can see it, that onion right there somewhere, probably in between those onions there. Or somewhere over here maybe, if I find a spot. But yeah, that's what the garden's doing right now. I'm gonna plant all of these. And whenever I'm done with that, I'll give you guys another update of what's going on. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.